Hello and welcome to another macrocosm video. The configuration of our Milky Way resembles that of a swirling whirlpool, characterized by elongated bands of cosmic gas and dust that spiral around its core. Comparable to a whirlpool's pull, entities venturing too close are drawn inexorably toward the center, where they vanish without a trace. The destiny of these hapless entities holds no enigma. Concealed within the shadows at the heart of our galaxy lies a colossal and voracious entity, an enormous supermassive black hole. Renowned for their capability to engulf anything, including light itself, supermassive black holes display an insatiable appetite. Nevertheless, their actions are not solely limited to consumption. At times, they also emit matter. In the latter part of 2013, a remarkable occurrence, termed an outburst or flare in astronomical parlance, was detected emanating from the core of our galaxy. As with numerous flares, this event consisted of high-energy X-rays. However, this specific outburst surpassed the typical X-ray emissions from this black hole by a staggering factor of 400 in brightness. A little more than a year later, another flare emerged, radiating a brilliance 200 times beyond the ordinary. Astronomers have posited two plausible theories concerning the origins of these so-called megaflares. The first hypothesis proposes that the formidable gravitational force of the black hole tore apart an asteroid that ventured too near. The resultant debris attained temperatures in the millions of degrees before being engulfed. The second potential explanation centers around the potent magnetic fields encircling the black hole. Fluctuations in these magnetic fields could potentially trigger substantial bursts of X-rays. In reality, analogous events occur with regularity on our own sun and are termed solar flare. The accompanying image depicts the vicinity encompassing the supermassive black hole positioned at the core of our galaxy, known as Sagittarius, pronounced Sagittarius, pronounced Sagi-tar-e-use-a star, during the monumental flare that transpired in 2013. Amazing fact. Sagittarius boasts a mass roughly 4.5 million times greater than that of our sun. And that's all for today. Hope you liked this video. Stay connected to get more knowledge about the space. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.